John's making me do some sketchy shit. I've got ice in my beard.
But we're not normal.
Probably the hardest hike we've done.
Yeah, 100%. Cooking some sausages. Have a look at that! Yes!
Here they come to save the day. As soon as you stop, everything freezes.
Hell, mate! Woo!
Welcome back, people.
Just at Snowdon.
Living the dream. We've talked about this trip for a while. We're going to hike to the top of Snowdon and make some breakfast, hopefully.
It's going to be 50-mile-an-hour winds. It's forecast up there. There's already snow at the bottom peaks, so I'm presuming it's going to be a lot worse at the top. But we're ready for it.
We're ready, bro. We're going to get to the top. Come on.
So we're going to go up the Pyg Track. Yeah. And we're going to come down the miners track in a circular. Should be eventful. It's got some beautiful views at the top.
Let's get it, people. Just at the start now. Nice steep climb all the way up there. As you can see, it's raining, snowing, and them tops are absolutely full of snow.
Woo!
This is the start of the Pyg Track. Map here, show you.
Snowy.
And there's the summit, baby. Let's go.
Not too clever dickheads here. Both did a fucking leg workout the day before yesterday, so they're a bit fucking sore. See how that pans out.
We'll do it.
Slush.
The forecast said it'd be dry when we got here, but it was instantly snowing and raining.
Yeah.
So we've had to put full waterproofs on at the start. Let's go.
Would you just look at them views?
Beautiful.
The wind's really picked up. And with that hail, it's like daggers in the face, isn't it, John?
Peltings.
John, are you glad you did a leg workout yesterday?
I am not glad we did leg workout. They are burning. We're gonna fucking soldier through it. That's how we do.
Thunder thighs.
Woo!
Like daggers in the face.
Daggers!
Daggers in the face.
Where the fuck is this path going, mate? Woo! Fucking Stevie steep steps.
John wants to come back and spend the night in there.
Yeah. Probably a fucking toilet.
Would you just look at them views? That is bloody beautiful. If you'd like us to camp on this lake one day, put it in the comments. We'll try and get around to it.
Bloody beautiful. It looked just as nice with a mist, but I bet you could see everything. Got a nice little straight bit for once, mate. We've just been steeply ascending for most of the first bit.
Been slow going on it with the snow on the ground.
Yeah.
Bit slippy.
Yeah.
Some energy now, it's gone a bit flat. Up the hill we hardly spoke.
Yeah, mate. Like I say, don't do a leg workout before you come mountain fucking climbing.
Bad idea.
Our quads were on fire, weren't they? But
Yeah, burning.
she did have a day to heal, but whatever.
Keep on climbing.
Nice to meet you, lad. See you later. Take it easy, mate.
What are you saying, Joe?
Beautiful views.
Stunning.
We will go home. We will go home. Over the mountain.
Don't put that on, John. Unsubscribe, everyone.
Fucking Michael Jackson on that fucking Earth song, mate. Come on, motherfucker!
Ow!
You take the low road and I'll take the high road. We'll meet together in the... Which way is it?
Stick to the path, John. Stick to the path.
Where is the path?
That's snow up there. Woo! This is a good point of walking with a friend. You can get your water out your backpack for you without you having to take your backpack off.
Here's my day. Ozark Trail. I don't even know where I got this from. Mountain Fresh.
Oh yeah!
Lovely.
Would you just look at that view?
Going up there, Phil.
Woo!
Have a little stop here, sec. But another little reservoir there. You can see the path. And we've got to get up now, up there, into the fucking higher echelons. Oh, look at that.
Seagull, what?
Full seagull. I think he wants some dinner like them. What are them birds called?
Jackdaws.
The jackdaws at Cavedale. We're not having dinner yet, mate. Wind's picking up a bit now. Gale flat up here, gale flat. Snowy conditions. having to cramp my toes together because they're a bit curled up here. Squeezing fingers.
Get the blood flow back.
John's new pet, Sammy the seagull.
Supposed to eat fucking innards out. How's it going, Phil?
It's extreme, but it's worth it for them views. Just look at that.
Yeah, there's some nice steep bits. Oh. And this is where it starts to get proper gusty. Gustavo! Fucking hell, mate! Woo!
The winds are getting powerful. Not far from the top.
Gale plots.
Path's getting very slippy and icy now. Some thick snow. Whew.
Where's the path? Getting hella steep now. Just gotta keep breathing through it. Toes are freezing. Saying, Phil?
What?
What are you saying?
It's getting very steep now. Very icy. Not far away though now. Head down, keep going. And I'm dying for a brew.
Yeah. Me too. I'd say brews and views, but it's gonna looking like it's fucking very misty when we get to the top. Fucking brews and clues. Fucking snow steep ascent here. Whew. Yeah. Snow's fucking eased up a bit. It was pelting. Well, just stopped for a brew. Zero visibility fucking now. Warm. I've just had to change one sock because it was piss wet through. Freezing my toes.
Stay your brew, lad. It's absolutely freezing up here, so I have to change my coat. Soaked back through. I was going to say brews and views, but it's a little bit misty. Can't see anything.
Coming in, mate. It's coming in. Just having a quick brew, quick snack.
The chocolate bar's frozen. It's rock hard.
Fuck it. Take your gloves off, mate. Fingers are instantly frozen, it.
Yep. I'm going back on.
Having some nuts. Not them kind of nuts. He's been stealing our food. Pesky little fucking bastard. There's a big crow there. We're getting dive bombed off the seagulls. Hands are freezing. Absolutely freezing, mate. I think it's the coldest I've ever been. Trying to get his fucking zips up. Mate, stopping for fucking brews and no views. Fucked us up. Let's get a fucking last push up to the sunny summit. Just wriggle my fucking fingers, get them warmed back up. Oh, toesies are cold as well.
Things have stopped working.
Yeah.
Here he comes. Big John Rambo.
Whoa.
Just got one last big push now to the summit. Feels about -15 at the moment. It's freezing.
Yeah, freezing, mate.
It's that wind.
Fingers and toes.
Let's go. Some thick mist up here.
Misty.
Yeah. Big John Rambo in his natural habitat in the mountains.
Yeah.
To beat war, you have to
Steep
become
work. Steepage. Yeah. Yeah, it's a train track, somewhere. An old mining track.
like daggers in the face. Daggers in the face.
Woo! Oh wow, really cold here.
People in the comments know what that is, bro.
Anybody know what that is?
In the comments.
Tell us.
Looks like an old train track or something, isn't it?
Yeah. Minus fucking maybe.
Yeah. Going down. That train comes up here.
Yeah.
Stops everyone off. Cheeky bastards.
Yeah. Saying that, it's tough going up. On it, Phil.
Yeah.
Nearly at the top.
Probably the hardest hike we've been on for a long time, isn't it, John?
Yeah, mate, 100%. Especially with the weight in our backpacks.
It being winter.
Yeah.
Not all over the path, makes it harder. Why don't we just walk up the tracks?
I know, yeah, I was thinking that.
It'd be easier, wouldn't it?
Train's not coming up here today. Hell no! me, Snow!
It's like daggers in the face. Daggers in the eyeballs.
Stabbing me. Back in the streets.
Ouch! That bloody hurts.
Charlie beat me. Bloody hurt. Mental.
Hardcore. Should we walk on the railway track? It's a bit flatter, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't think it goes.
That path's going up there a bit, isn't it?
Where it is, isn't it?
Is that where the summit is, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah shit, we're gonna have to get back on there then, aren't we?
Yeah. We just checked the map.
Check the map, man. Hey?
Still got to get there.
Where are we now?
See that little blue dot?
Fucking hell. So we've got a fair trek, haven't we?
Looks like it. To the summit!
To the top! Oh shit, that's slippy.
Mate, makes so much a difference having this fucking pole.
Can't we forgot mine. Shit. We're gonna have to take it in turns using it, John.
Yeah, you can do, mate.
2 minutes each.
It's just fucking, I've got hella heavy backpack, mate. Tins of beans and shit in it.
Oh. Rocks are very slippery. Full of ice.
Have a look at that! There it is! The mountain is! The mountain is Bigfoot! Conquering Snowdon! Woo! That's extreme weather, mate! Getting blown! Hella blown!
Almost made it.
It's hella fucking windy, isn't it, bro?
Yeah.
Look at that, just no visibility.
Woo, we're nearly there. Some seriously strong winds up here. There's the old station. Where you can get a train up and cheap. Ooh, we're nearly there, people. Woo. A few more steps.
It's like a frozen wall of China, mate.
John's coat's frozen, look at that.
Mate, it's even frozen inside.
His zips are all frozen.
Let's have a look at this. In there. Frozen.
It's been an hard one. Probably the hardest hike we've done.
Yeah, 100%. Especially, we always like to pack extra stuff. We've got fucking survival kits and first aids, food that we've not even had yet. But yeah.
Unnecessary weight. But we made it. We're outlaws. This is it, people. Last 20-30 steps.
Woo, wind up here.
That wind is extreme. Here we go. The last set. Don't give up now, John.
Ah.
And that is why we call him John Rambo. Made it to the summit.
Making it to the top. The mountain on a mountain!
Done it!
Woo! Woo!
Oh, John's down, man down, man down, man down! Yeah, bro. Oh, we made it! The summit. That was a good 9.8 out of 10
Yeah,
for hardness. Woo. I'd give the view 2 out of 10 though. Super misty.
Yeah.
And the wind, -10. That could do one. But woo! We did it! We achieved it.
Junction the mountain.
Oh.
Look at that, fully frozen over.
My beard's freezing over.
There you have it.
We made it. We achieved it.
Top of the mountain. Now for the descent.
Snowdon ticked it off.
Daggers!
Daggers in your eyeballs.
Whee! And there it was. Snowdon conquered in fucking 50-mile-an-hour gusts, fucking -15 temps, something. Whew. Even the fucking foam around the camera's frozen.
There we go. We've made it.
Here, you are nearer to heaven, says.
Snowdon, here you are, nearer to heaven.
I think to celebrate, we might have to cook some food up because there's a little fucking shelter there. There we go. Cooking some sausages. Top of Mount Snowdon. Just burnt the cup. You know. Bastard. Just cooking some scran. That mental cunt was on the phone. I don't know how he's got a fucking signal. I don't know who he was on the phone to, but the
Mrs. Bigfoot.
Was it?
I've got her answer to her or she'll crack chop me.
How the fuck he got a signal up here? I do not know, mate. Unless you could just closer to the satellites. But yeah, we were going to have a full English, but fucking, as per usual.
We forgot half the stuff.
Yeah, so I meant to bring the bacon and eggs. Phil brought the fucking sausages. I bought the beans. I've got some mushrooms. But yeah, no bacon or eggs, so
It's half an English.
half English breakfast top of fucking Mount Snowdon.
It's a Manchester breakfast.
There we go. It'll still do. And we were going to have it on plates and all that, but fuck that. Seeing the fucking weather, my hands are freezing. It's just going to end up being a fucking
Quick one.
a sausage, bean, mushroom butty.
I'm just going to drink mine. I'm going to put it in a cup and drink it.
You know. There we go, look at those.
Big old sausages.
Sausage butty on Snowdon.
Yeah, on the
We're not
summit.
normal.
We don't play around, we're outlawed for a reason.
Good job if we didn't have this covered on, mate. Fucking we wouldn't be able to cook at all. Yeah. Good job this was here.
Fine, we're at the station at the moment, right at the summit.
Bit of fucking beans, mate.
Trusty ridge monkey
A ridge monkey, baby.
gets us out of trouble.
That one out again. Ooh, my hands are getting cold again. Better make these butties and get going.
Have to be quick up here, everything we've just put down is just
frozen.
frozen.
Frozen, mate. Mental.
Bolts, bags, everything. Frozen, solid straight away.
Ah, get this butty down. Fucking warm us up, give us that energy. Push back down. We were going to have a full English, but yeah, it's fucking half Welsh. An half Welsh fucking breakfast. So last video, we did camp out for the veterans. We're going to still leave a link in this video just to push it out there, get some extra money in for the homeless veterans. Goes towards mental health facilities, housing, food, clothes. But yeah, if you can donate,
it'll help some of our veterans out that are struggling at the moment. Big old sausages!
Ah, there we go, they'll fucking do, won't they, bro?
Oh yeah, look at that, people.
Do you want this?
Yeah. There we go. We're eating a bit of John sausage and it's lovely. Look what he's having. Sausage, beans and mushrooms.
Mount fucking Snowdon meals.
It's not a full English, but he'll do us. We're freezing, we're cold, we're hungry. A bit of sustenance.
The coldest climate I fucking have ever been in anyway.
Bigfoot happy. Moo. One over here.
I was actually been killed. Woo! We highly recommend not cooking your own food on Snowdon, mate, because we had to take our gloves off and that just absolutely numbed our fingers trying to get them back warm again. But we're not normal. But yeah, back on the trail down now, just walking past the train station.
Yeah, as soon as you stop, everything freezes.
Yep, it just chipped you.
My gloves are frozen solid at the moment.
Yep, I've got my fingers, can't feel my little fingers.
Keep moving.
So yeah, we just did that as a bit of a challenge, but I wouldn't recommend it, if I'm honest. I wouldn't recommend it.
Holy shit, man. It's extreme. Whew. It's not too bad when you're out the wind, but that wind chills it down by about 12 degrees. Yeah. Felt about minus 17 then. You're warming up a bit.
Ready fucking...
I've got ice in my beard.
Mate, mental behaviours. Yeah, I just have to swing my hands round, get the blood rushing back to my fingers because I couldn't feel them at all. Get warmed up, get moving, get warmed up.
Yeah, you've got to keep moving up here. If you stand still for more than 3-4 minutes, you're frozen.
You end up looking like fucking Dumb and Dumber on that motorbike. There we are, mountainous terrain.
So our tracks from before, 20 minutes ago, we've already filled in with snow.
Yep.
Can't even see that we've been here.
Look at that. Oh, don't look at that because you can't see fuck all.
It's a whiteout! It's whiter than John's ass!
look at his fucking jacket, it's fully frozen over. Yeah, one sec, bro. Yes. Your sack's falling off.
Oh, open jack.
Alright. Holy shit. That was fucking useless, wasn't it? Help, help, help! Dying!
Man down! Rambo down! I'll let you take lead for a bit, bro.
I'm used to the jungle, not the fucking mountains. Let's go.
It's me, Mario.
It's me, Mario.
Yeah, well, our tracks have totally disappeared from like half an hour ago.
And as you can see, visibility is fucking stunning.
There's quite a lot of snowfall, isn't it, bro?
We've not seen too many hikers. There was a couple, but
they're not hardcore like us, are they, bro?
Everyone must be fucking doing the somewhere else. Somewhere else, because they're not fucking here.
Oh yeah, it's not an easy hike, this, people. But if you're willing to grit on and carry on, it's well worth it. Man down!
Man down!
Oh, man down!
Watch that step there, lads.
Man down! It's happened again.
Right on corner.
Bastards.
Going down a fucking slide. Woo! I think we just went off track a little bit. So we're going back a different way. But at least the descent's a lot fucking easier. We've done the hard bit now. Yeah. Feels what to say out.
Yay, Snowdon.
Smoke, I think he wants your brew.
Go.
Expelliarmus!
Wingardium Leviosa! It's Harry Rambo, he's back in the mountains!
Get that wand. So, obviously we was going to go on a miners track. We missed the turn. So we're going to do some sketchy shit and come down a path that's not fucking designated. We don't know if that's a cliff edge. We're going to go and find out, aren't we?
If it's not, we've got to walk all the way back up.
Slide off the fucker. Whew. Steepy.
John's making me do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah.
Woo. Yoo-hoo! Woohoo! Fucking sledging on our asses, mate. Holy shit! Oh, dig your fucking heels in there, bro. Fucking hell! That's mental.
Here they come to save the day.
Fucking mental.
Bit an avalanche in my ass.
Woo.
No longer on your route. Take a look at the map. You are 60 yards behind.
That was fucking alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, man.
Let's find out if it's a fucking cliff.
So we're just tobogganed right down to the bottom there, and it's a big cliff.
Fuck that.
We're gonna find another route now. John's gonna do some dodgy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. He's a goddamn outlaw, John Rambo. Cliff at the bottom of that, totally not worth it.
But yeah, we're back up here now. Cliff drop there, couldn't get down. We missed the track. So the only difference is we won't be walking around the bottom of the lake. Back to the normal track. Because we were going to come down and walk around.
Second lake, you've got another lake there, haven't we?
Yeah. 6% battery, mate.
Ah,
The
cold is
cold weather has killed the batteries. But look at them views there, mate. On to the next lake. See,
fell off that fucker.
so that bit was where we slid down, and this bit was where fucking, yeah, that was a no-go.
Yeah,
What we was meant to do is go all around that bit. If you see the trail comes down here, but
it's all covered in snow, we got a bit lost.
and we've got a better view up here anyway.
We did a bit of tobogganing though.
There we go. There's a second lake. All it's been. Ice in our drinks. Frozen they was.
Keep hydrated, people,
Yep. Fucking.
before it freezes.
It's been a long one, mate, because we as usual we went fucking off trail. But it was fucking bit of fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Last I'd say last third of the way now, innit?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Slow going in it, bro.
Yeah.
It's all the sludge.
Back up
slippy.
and down, slipped loads of times. We just didn't have we just had to change the battery on the camera because it's fucking that cold. Battery's just going.
Wiping them all out.
Had a few setbacks, but we don't make things simple for us.
Yeah, I'm cold, I'm knackered, I'm dying for a brew, but I've absolutely loved it. Definitely come back here.
Yeah.
It's a good 9 out of 10 this walk. Probably 9.5.
100% mate, fucking, and that's without the visibility.
Yeah.
I mean, with the visibility, I bet the fucking scenes are just... Wind's picking up again. Flappy bird.
That light's going now.
Yep, the lake's down there, the last lake, the last section of the lake. We've still got, from where we filmed the drone footage, to get down. And we were thinking that was fucking far at the time. It definitely wasn't.
It seemed quicker on the way up.
Yeah.
On the way down.
Well, that's a fucking giant steps. Fucking lovely when you're knackered.
Just what you need.
But yeah, just this last stretch now down the steps that we started on.
Oh, this was clear when we came up though.
Yeah.
How much snow we've had.
Lake. Woo! Bit of wind again. Back at that. Whatever the fuck it is. Last stretch. Fucking need a brew.
I'm sick of steps now. Just want a brew.
And there we go. These are the last views we're gonna get as we get back now. Still gotta get to that fucking building down there, bro.
I'm feeling it now.
There we go. Just gotta go all the way down here. Back to them lights there. Then we're home.
It's been hardcore.
It's been hardcore, it's been a long one, I tell you.
Dream.
I think it would have been quicker if we'd have gone on a miners trail, but obviously
Couldn't see it 'cause it's snow.
we've ended up doing this one.
Still going. We keep thinking it's just round the next corner, but it keeps going. Probably the longest, hardest hike I've ever been on.
Yeah, same for me. Just clocking in to say, still going. Fucking, the way back's fucking, seems fucking longer than it was when we come.
There we go. We've made it back.
That was a long fucking way down. Don't forget, Phil's 16 stone and I'm 15. That was heavy on our feet. Spiky, jagged rocks for miles. We just don't going on and on and on. But yeah, we got there. We got back in the end. Fucking pitch black, as you can see. But yeah, fucking buzzing. Just done that one. As I said, I've only ever been once before, and it was too. Just didn't happen. So yeah, I definitely give that one. I'm gonna give it a 9 because we didn't get to see the views.
Yeah.
It was too misty, but it was a fucking hike and some of the views were mint. But we did want to do it in the extreme weather anyway, didn't we?
Yeah, it was on our bucket list sort of thing, so it's been ticked off now. So we're both buzzing, we've achieved it.
Fucking Phil.
Yeah, just got to the bottom now, the car's there. We're going for a lovely brew, so I'm happy now. It's over.
He's been asking for a brew for fucking ages.
I love me brews.
Just like, where's the small steps, there's more steps. But yeah, fucking, it was just, that was relentless at the end then, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Mad relentless.
And all the fucking car's gone.
Like I say, mate, we're both heavy fellas, mate. And it was just stomping. Our feet are like pancakes now, aren't they?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been done. Extreme weather conditions, even had a scran at the top. So yeah, man.
We've loved it, really. Even though it was super extreme.
Yeah, till the next one. Peace out.